Hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're getting ready to do some Boogey lights. All right, let me turn it around here. We're going to do it on this 2016 Dutch Newmar, Dutch Star Newmar. So, one, he wants it between these two wheels here. So, the idea behind these lights is you have to prep the surface very good, or they'll come off. And still, I've had a few come off, but we're going to do our best to prep, clean. Red, green, blue, white, and black, right? And here's the actual tape that the LEDs are on. Okay, and then there's the 3M mounting surface back there. Now, this is a pairing module. So, right there, see how it says pairing? I got it upside down, apologize. All right, so Boogey lights. I'm gonna put that up in here. And that way he can pair if it unpairs from inside. Right here's my battery power. I'm going to put fuse, ground, all that, make it look really good. And then I'm running the lights all the way down. Well, the important part is this. You have to prep that surface. All right, so they give you some stuff here, like these 2 alcohol pads, right? So I got my own alcohol, I buy it 5 gallons at a time. Thankfully I did, because that stuff went up because of the situation we're at, COVID. Now this, I had to buy some extra. Automotive Adhesive Promoter 06396, because they gave you these little tubes, which are the same thing. All right. Well, remember, the whole thing is very important. There's another set of tubes. And there's the packets I bought. Now, they ain't cheap. I think they're $280 to $480 a piece. And you need to clean this stuff. All right. So I'm going to get down there and show you what I did. Remember, I cleaned all the way down to here. But here's the problem on this one. Right about here is the sewage it goes through, okay? So I'm going to show you. We'll get down there. There we go. There's going to be a couple different videos on this. So, one, I was cleaning all this metal right here, all the way down. So I prepped it with that wire cut brush there. And then I had to cut this out right here. So what did I use to cut that off? It was my battery operated Dremel. Okay. So I just did that. And that, I'm going to prep that surface right there. See all the rust and all? We got to get that cleaned up. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to rub it down with alcohol once I wire brushed everything, which I got from here to that tire right there, down. So I'm going to put you on hold. Well, let me show you. I'll do it real quick. Right there, right? So I don't want it to bounce around and hit the paint. All right, so put you on hold and I'll get right back with you. All right, so I wire brushed that. Now we'll take some paper towels and some good old rubber and alcohol. 91%, it's a little bit stronger. And I'm gonna rub all this down. I'll show you some dirt that I get off. Remember, I wire brushed it first. I cut that out so the LED lights would go across this strip right here instead of over it and then possibly come off. Remember, we're trying to get this Boogey light system to stay up here for a while. All right, I'm put you on hold, and I'm gonna take this and alcohol and rub, I don't know, 25, 30 feet of this stuff down. All right, so I don't think you need to see that. All right, so I'm back. That's just from like here down, maybe like 3-foot section. This little bit of, look at that dirt there and that. So I'm going to clean this whole strip down probably 3 good times till I start seeing this white paper towel come clean. All right, so that's going to take me a while. I'm not going to put you through that. So this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, I'm laying down on the job again. Anyway, there's 4 ways to get a hold of me. One's the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. The other one is the website where I do one-on-one troubleshooting with you, like through this video right here, personally watching you learn and helping you. And I've helped thousands that have joined the webpage, www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural, diagnostics. The other one is this YouTube channel, and which is RV Diagnostics. And the other one is the RV Diagnostics workshop, which we're in right now, the garage. I can house a 45-footer in here and open up all the slides and have plenty of room for you to work. So that's in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. If you want to get a hold of me and make an appointment, please just don't drop by. I've had that happen a couple times, and I only have enough room for like 20 40 footers in my backyard, so won't get too crazy with it. Anyway, thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics, and this is video 1. There'll be plenty after this. I'll show you step by step what I'm doing.